Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2003, the Disney Channel original movie, The Cheetah Girls, aired for the first time. The movie is about 4 teens seeking stardom in the music industry and was the first musical DCOM. It was based on a book series of the same name written by Deborah Gregory. The Cheetah Girls premiere was watched by 6.5 million viewers, a record at the time for the Disney Channel, despite a major blackout in the Northeast. The film even led to the formation of a real-life Cheetah Girls musical group. Did you see it? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty fun. Anyway, have a magical day.